Hey everyone, this is Julie. I just wanted to catch up with you guys today and share with you that Seint has just launched 4 new Recreate the Looks for winter. Super exciting. I don't have any of these collections as of yet, but today I just thought I would put together my own collection of what I thought would translate well for winter. So of course in my double-decker Seint palette, this is the gold that has been discontinued, but they do have a really beautiful silver foil, and they have the new tinsel palette, which I don't have. I did order it, so I'll let you know when I get that in. But inside my palette, I have my 3 foundational coverage tins. I have my indigo bronzer, ever red lip and cheek, petal lip and cheek. We're gonna pair those together today. I actually have those on right now. And then I have Revival as my eyeshadow and eyeliner. Sis in the inner corner of my eyes. This is Moscow. And I can't think of it right now. I was on a roll. This one is Butterscotch, and then Photoshop. So we're gonna use all of these colors together to achieve this look that you see right here. Okay, we're gonna do a time-lapse application for you. I hope you enjoy.